Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I wanted to take you guys through one of my typical mornings on the farm with two small kids and being pregnant. So without further ado, let's get going. So I am starting my morning out a little bit earlier than I normally would. We normally try to make a large batch of breakfast and warm it up throughout the week, but I don't have that ready, so I am getting up so that way I can make it and put it on the stovetop. That way it's ready before Ryan has to leave. Last night we left the house a complete disaster, so our kitchen is filled with dishes and I have a lot of work ahead of me. So I finally have the dishes mostly done. Oh my goodness, they were stacked way too high. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my breakfast ready now. Ryan ate and he went ahead and left for his part-time job, so he'll be back in a little bit. It only takes him a couple hours and he'll be home. But yeah, I'm gonna get breakfast and keep on going with my morning routine. I might try to get ready. We'll see. I'll get ready eventually. So since our house is pretty small, I try to make sure that I do tasks in the morning that are kind of quiet and don't wake up the kids, since they sleep just right off of the living room. I thought both of them were up, but only Gracie May's up. I know, you're like me. You're like, wait, I gotta get a little beautified before you put me on camera. You're okay. Mama needs to go get ready. I said I was going to get ready a while back, but I still haven't. Huh. Let's go do that. Let's go do that. Like that, super simple, and I am ready for the day. I normally keep my hair in my messy bun from overnight. Sometimes I'll let it down and redo it, but we're just gonna keep it like this because I'm just staying on the farm today and I don't really care. The animals don't care. That's the biggest thing. Animals and my kids don't care. So I don't know what to think of the camera, do you? I think you like it. You like it? Yeah. So like I said, these sausage patties are done. So I'm going to stick them in the warmer while I cook our eggs. Our veggie stuff is still on the stovetop.
just on like a low setting, but I'll show you guys this warmer. Okay, goodness, this is dirty. You can tell it gets used. So we just bought it off Amazon. The reheat is what we use for like our microwave, and it works really well. But this warm setting is really nice, and sometimes Ryan will leave it on for quite a while he's out working out or whatever. In the mornings, he'll pop his breakfast in there and reheat it, and then just throw it on warm while he's finishing up working out or stretching. But we're gonna just do it on warm. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave it in there for 2 hours and 38 minutes, but you guys get what I'm saying. So we just bought these little pans to put food in. I really enjoy this one as well. I'll link it below. But just having those to throw the food on and then throw it in the warmer. So we'll just leave it like that, and it'll keep it warm until we're ready to eat it in a little bit. Like I said, I'm a little behind on laundry, so I'm gonna try to finish that up while our breakfast finishes cooking. Do the most elaborate folding system or laundry system. Normally I'm trying to do better at making sure I do one load at a time to fold, but lately it's just been like 3 loads at a time, like a catch-up day kind of thing, which I'm trying to get better at in the new year. But I just do like piles of everything. So make piles of socks, my socks, Ryan's socks, all the kids' stuff goes in one basket. And then I just try to knock out each little pile. That way it kind of seems like more manageable bites than just folding one item at a time in a huge pile. So we have our piles divvied up, and now we're going to try to address each one and then go start more laundry. So on typical mornings when I'm by myself, while I'm doing my little chores around the house for the morning, either getting ready or doing the laundry, I will do my morning meditation. I'll leave a link of some of the best ones that I found on YouTube below. I really enjoy these. Just kind of gets my mind in a good place before the day starts and before the craziness of having kids. So our laundry room is located in an old garage that we've turned into our workout room, and I don't do anything fancy. I just separate it between regular clothes, towels, and then I try to keep Ryan's work clothes separate because sometimes they have oil and stuff on them. It definitely looks like I need to be doing a couple loads today of his laundry. It's definitely stacking up, but we're gonna go ahead and switch over this laundry. So it's about 7:20ish, so William will probably be waking up soon. Like I said, I'm going to take all the laundry from the living room and go ahead and just put it in our room. That way it's out of the living room. That way the kids don't mess with it and stuff, and I'll just have to get to it another time. You can definitely work on things a lot faster when you don't have little ones around. I don't know if anybody else feels that way, but that's okay. We had a good morning, just me and you, huh? You were a good helper with the laundry, weren't you? Were you a good helper? You didn't want to play with any of your toys. You just wanted to help Mama. Isn't that right? So after the kids and I's sausage and eggs was done, I went ahead and put all of it in the warmer. And then we still have quite a bit of this veggie mix. So like I said, normally I'll batch it in like a large skillet. That way we have more than this, but I just wanted to get it going this morning. So this will probably last us one more day. It's not a whole lot. But anyways, I'll put this in a container and we can eat it tomorrow morning, and we'll just warm it up in the warmer. Like I said, we'll just make some sausage and eggs to put on top of it. Look, we just woke up. So it's about 7:30, which is typical. The sun's finally coming up. They are both up, so we're gonna get breakfast started for both of them. So it's about 8 o'clock, and this is actually going pretty close to what our normal schedule is, which is funny because I was like, the day that I film, it's going to be totally different and crazy. Besides Gracie May waking up early, it's been pretty typical. So it's 8 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and get the kids ready, just change their clothes, brush our teeth and stuff, and then we have chores to do. So I'm gonna go warm up the car since it's nice and cold outside, and then once we're all ready to go, once I get ready to go, like layers and stuff on, then we'll all get loaded up in the car. So after I'm done brushing their teeth and stuff, I will get one kid ready at a time. So I'll focus on whatever William, and I'll let Gracie May play. Normally it's the opposite. I'll do Gracie May first, and then I'll do William. But they have their jacket. Well, William has a jacket. Gracie May will have a jacket. But I'm gonna get ready really quick. So the kids are loaded in the van. You say hi, Gracie May. And they're watching a movie. I'm going to do yard chores really quick, and then I guess I didn't explain the reason that I put them in the van is so we can do chores and I can know that they're safe. Also, our sheep are like a half mile away from the house, so we have to go all the way up there and let them out because we put them up every night in a sheep shed. So anyways, I will get to doing chores. But thank you so much for watching our morning routine. I'm surprised that it was actually about a typical morning. I forgot to say, right now it's about 8:30. So Ryan would normally be home and help me with the chores, but he had to run some errands in town, which is why he's not here yet. So it's just Mama doing the chores. So if you guys liked this kind of motherhood content, be sure to leave a comment below and just say something that you took from it and something that you're going to try in your morning routine. I love making this kind of stuff for you guys, so if you want to see more of it, I can definitely make more of it for you. But yeah, thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel, and make sure you give it a like on the way out and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ooh, one last thing, if you guys want to see our typical chore routine or a video of us doing the chores, check out this video right here. Bye guys.